Hey guys, I'm gonna show you a trick that this guy that used to renew our bathtubs, he would, when a new tenant would move in, before, as landlords, we would pay somebody, I think it was 350, and he would come, we would sand it, and he would redo the whole bathtub, and it would make it look new. And he told us once, like, you ever want to clean it, use dish soap. That's the magic behind it, because it's got oil inside. He said that's the magic behind it. So it's a nice little hack. Even for your sink, just dump a little. And I don't know, forget about the sprays, chemicals, and stuff. So, a bit. You can speed it up if you want, but I'm just showing you, like, all that gunk and whatever appears here, even in the bathtub. I do this once a month. There we go. What's it called? Soap scum. There we go. That thing adds up, so very easy to do instead of using chemicals and all that stuff. And that's it. Should be ready. Fast. I'm just gonna dump something in here before I use a rag. I don't have one. I'm gonna use Scott towel. There we go. Using one hand, so or else it'll go faster. Little tricky, handyman tricky. And I'm gonna wipe it off so you can see. Wasn't that dirty before, because like I said, I clean this once a month. But try it and you'll see. I'm not kidding. It's fast, no chemicals, no. You know what I mean? It's fast. So yeah, look at that. Dish soap. Dish soap. There we go. Try it out and let me know if you like it. And that's it. If you like, comment, subscribe, whatever they say to do. Alright, ciao. This soap, try it out. And for your bathtub too. Ciao.